So here we have this Mopio Aran couch. Now if you're anything like me and are wondering how they ship this to you, it comes in these two big boxes. They measure about 3 foot by 3 foot and are 9 inches thick. Anyway, in this video I'm going to unbox these, put the couch together, and then I'll give you a quick review. Opening up this first box, there's just one cushion. There's not really any packing material around this, just this sort of fabric bag. Then the second box is exactly the same, just this single cushion wrapped in fabric. There's a zipper pouch on the back of the cushions, and if you unzip that and open it up, you'll see the instructions, the side piece for the couch, and then a little box with hardware and the legs. Then unzipping the back of the second cushion, there's the other side piece. Alright, so there's everything laid out for you. There's the two main cushions, the side pieces, then the legs, some hardware, and then the instructions. Looks like this is going to be a really simple build. There's really not that many pieces, but as always, I'm going to time it and see how long it takes. First, we're going to put both cushions face down with the white stickers in the center, and then attach them together with these plastic legs and machine screws. I don't really like how these are attached, but that's how they do it. Then we're going to screw on these legs. There's one for each corner. They don't have leveling feet, but they do have these felt pads on the bottom. Now flip it up so you can attach the sides. They have these two metal brackets that slide into each other, and then there's a metal plate that you screw into the bottom that connects it to the couch. Same thing with the other side, just slide the two pieces together and screw the plate on with two screws. And that's it, now you can stand it up. And I definitely recommend having a second person help you with this. Alright, and there we go, it's all put together. It was a little bit difficult with only one person, but I managed, and it took me about 16 minutes. There's quite a few different color options to choose from, but as you can see here, I got the pecan brown, and I think it looks great. It is just a faux leather, so it's definitely not premium and isn't gonna last forever, but it's nice and soft and still looks nice. Then all the legs are made of plastic, and they have felt pads on the bottom so they don't scratch your floor. It's not the sturdiest couch ever, but it's sturdy enough. My first impressions on comfort is that it's relatively comfortable. The armrest is a little wobbly, so I wouldn't recommend pushing sideways on it too hard, but even if you do lean against it, it seems like it'll hold up fine. Both the back and the bottom only have about 3 inches of cushion that's oddly springy, and then it seems like this 6 inches of frame here is just empty space. Again, it's not the most comfortable couch I've sat on, but it's not terrible. I'm also not too happy with how this is connected together in the center. It's plenty strong enough if you're leaving the couch in one spot, which is what I'm going to do, but if you have to pick it up to move it around a lot, I'm not sure how well it'll hold up. Anyway, this is a futon, so the back folds down into a bed, and that's super easy. Just pull these forward and then lay them down. No surprise though, if you're over 5'8", you're going to have to sleep a little bit crooked. Also, if you want to have it lean back a little more, you can just click it up one time and it'll stay like this. And the mechanism makes it really sturdy, whether it's laid down as a bed or stood up as a couch. So yeah, overall, it's a decent little futon. It looks great, and it's pretty solid if you leave it in one spot. It's definitely not the most comfortable couch I've sat on, but it's comfortable enough, and overall I'm happy with it.